Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to use VMware for Linux practice. For that case, we will download VMware from Chrome. Here I already have VMware and the machines installed, but I will show you how to install VMware. For that case, we will search VMware. I have Windows 11 installed. That's why I will go on this link that VMware for Windows 11. VMware for Windows 11 free download. In the first case, you will see download VMware Workstation Pro, and here you can directly get the link from download now. Yes, VMware Workstation will be downloaded and you can easily use it. When installing the VMware, you will need some license keys. For that, we will search for VMware Windows 11 license keys. The first one will be GitHub. On GitHub, you will see here these are the links. You can directly copy paste or the type while installing the VMware, and the VMware will be easy to use. Then while for the practice of Linux, we will need Linux ISO images to install the machines on the VMware. Um, for that case, the latest updated version is RHEL 9. So I will search for RHEL 9 ISO image download. I will download from the Red Hat developer website. This is Red Hat Enterprise Linux download. When you go on the website, you will directly can see that download rail at no cost. It's a free, so you can directly go there. Uh, See, downloading has popped up. So I am not downloading it because I already have it. Then you can go on your VMware to install the new machine. You can say here new virtual machine, or you can go from create new virtual machine. I will say that custom workstation 7.4x. I will install the operating system later. You can directly select from this also, but I will go with this one, this option. I wanted a Linux version, RHEL 9 version. Okay, the virtual machine will be, suppose I give it a RHEL 9, then the location will be automatically selected. You can also change this location that I want it on the desktop. On desktop virtual machines, I will create a new folder. Okay, I will, by default it will be created at this location. Go to next. Number of processes, 2. Number of cores per processor. Total processes, processor total processor cores, I will won't change this. I'm going for the 2 GB MB. Here, you should select bridgeted network. In the bridgeted network, we will use the internet connected on the system. Next, you can select anywhere, but here it is recommended LSI logic. I will go with the LSI logic. NVMe is recommended. This is a disk type. You can select SATA, IDE, or NVMe, but most preferably, we will select SATA or the NVMe. Then go for the next one. Here, we will keep the options as it is. Maximum disk size. You can select this size according to the space available on your machine or the capacity you want to specify. Here I am keeping it as 20 GB, or you can also go with the 10 GB, 30 GB as per your need. I will keep it as 20 GB. Then go next. The disk file will be generated with this name. You can also select the location by with the option browse. Next, finish. The disk width these specifications will be needed. Do you remember that we haven't selected the ISO image while configuring the settings? So we will go with the CD DVD. Here we can use ISO image from our location. See, I have ISO images at different locations. I will go with this one. Then okay, the machine will be selected. When you power on the virtual machine, I will show you. The install process will be go start. See here it is showing that either install Red Hat Enterprise Linux, test this media or troubleshooting. Uh, Whenever you first starting the machine, you can go with this option that test this media and install, but it will take time, so I will directly jump on the install Red Hat Enterprise Linux, as I have already installed the machines with this image, so I don't have any problem. But if you have downloaded the image and installing the machine first time, I will say go with the second option to test the media and then install, to overcome the any problems, uh, to imitate the problems that will arise in future. Using the up and down arrow keys, you can switch on these options. I will go with install, enter. See, the machine installation is going on. When the machine is installed at the start of the start of using it, you will have to configure some settings like the name, root user, root password, user password, then the location, then the interface, etc. So I will show you. See, we will use the English language. US, continue. Hmm. Keyboard English, language support will be English, time zone will be Asia Kolkata time zone, and you can switch the time zones also. We are in India, so we have selected this one, but you can also switch with this one. Okay. Hmm. Then the connected to Red Hat not registered installation source, software selection, installation destination. Just open it and click on the done. The configuration will be done. Then the network and host name, it is important that there is some interface added. You can see that connected and ENS 160. If you see that it is not connected, then there will be some problem arise later on. Root account, uh, we will have to set root account for our machine. Set an easy password so that you won't forget it while practicing, because it's important. You will need much later. We can create the users from here also, but I won't be creating here. We will practice later on. Begin installation, and it will start to installation. Yeah. Okay. Yes. I'm terminating here because I already have machine system. See, then the machines will appear like this one. I have deleted the disk from the deleted this machine from the disk so that it won't be taking much space from my laptop. Machines will be created same like this one. Okay, so you will need to start the setup, privacy. Next, skipping this, I will give her to names because I have given root. Okay, next, then I have to save the password. Machine like this will be created. We can take a two, but thanks, I will give you a two. This is Firefox. This is a five folder softwares. If you want some help, you can go with this one. Yeah, on activities, then the terminal and applications. We will need terminal for our practice. I will show you one mm, feature for the VMware. In that case, we will check where we are with the help of pwd command. We are in home uru version. Remember, while setting up machine for the user, I have given the name room. So I will have to uh, mm, get back to root user, the password of root. Okay, now we can see where I am. I am at the root location, home of root location. So I will delete this user root. It is showing that the user who is currently used by process 2494. That's why we cannot delete the user. First we will kill the process that is use currently user. Okay. Requested username root. We are signing it as root, giving the password. It's just the practice that I'm using to delete all the users present so that I can create with new users with fresh machine. Here you can see that I have one user with name room, so I'm deleting it. Now you can see I don't have any user. Clear the terminal with command line with clear option. Yeah, I'm talking about the feature of VMware. Here in the upper tab, you can see take a snapshot of this virtual machine, this symbol with the plus sign, clock with the plus sign, and then there is revert this virtual machine to its parent snapshot. You can directly jump on the previous snapshot. So currently we have a fresh machine. We don't have any user created, we don't have any file created, we don't have any folder created. So while practicing, there may be some problem arise, or we want to go back to the position where we don't have anything created, or you have created something and then to deleted something. You can want to jump to the setup or the position where you have created something. In that case, you first have to take the snapshot at that position, and later on you can jump to that position. So it's like a screenshot, but you can uh, go to that setting. So here I'm taking a snapshot. I'm giving it a fresh machine setup. Name, take snapshot. Okay, so the snapshot for my this machine, fresh machine, has been created. You can see this option has been enabled. First it was disabled because there was not any snapshot taken, so we cannot jump on anything. Currently I can jump on this position. When I click on this machine, it is giving me a warning that by restoring this snapshot, the current state will be lost. Do you want to restore a fresh machine setup? Remember, we have taken a snapshot with name fresh machine setup. So it is saying that whatever you are in current position, it will be lost because we are going to the previous snapshot. Okay. I'm saying yes. The machine will go to the test snapshot. I know that I am at the same position, but remember, let me show you. We are in which position? Slash shoot, and I am creating a file. Empty. Let it be empty file. File 1. I think two file will be created. See, files with name 1 and the file with name file has been created. We don't have any file made in previous version. Okay. Mhm. And I'm going to the fresh position. Okay. I think we have restored to the position. Yeah. Here, can you see any file? I have taken a snapshot where the files wasn't created. Then I have created the files and again jumped to the snapshot. So my later on all the changes I have made got lost, and I could directly jump to the this one. So that's the use of snapshot, that you can practice anything and then directly jump on the machine instead of deleting the all the files or anything changes we made. Okay.